Have you ever wondered if someone in a position of power, even if they are not wearing a uniform, could be held responsible for serious crimes committed by those beneath them? It is a complex question with significant implications for global justice. Yes, command responsibility can indeed be applied to civilian authority figures under international humanitarian law. This vital principle ensures accountability extends beyond traditional military hierarchies to anyone exercising effective control over subordinates who commit grave breaches. The core of command responsibility, as codified in instruments like the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, is the concept of effective control. For civilian leaders, this means they must have had the material ability to prevent or punish the crimes, even if they lacked a formal military rank. The principle recognizes that power can manifest in many forms, and accountability should follow where that power lies. This extension acknowledges that civilian officials can exert substantial influence over military or paramilitary forces, or even other civilian bodies, leading to serious violations. To establish command responsibility for a civilian, investigators look for evidence of a superior-subordinate relationship, meaning the civilian had effective authority and control over the perpetrators. They also examine whether the civilian knew or should have known about the crimes and failed to take all necessary and reasonable measures within their power to prevent them or to punish the perpetrators. This can involve analyzing directives, resource allocation, and communication channels. A key aspect of this doctrine is recognizing de facto command, where an individual exercises control over subordinates in practice, even without a formal legal designation. This expands the net of accountability to ensure that those truly in charge cannot escape justice simply by avoiding a specific title. It demonstrates the flexible and evolving nature of international law to address modern conflicts. Ultimately, applying command responsibility to civilian figures reinforces the crucial message that no one is above the law when it comes to international humanitarian law. It helps deter grave violations and promotes a culture of accountability at all levels of authority, fostering greater respect for human dignity and the laws of armed conflict.